Food. It's one of the absolute best reasons to go cruising, and the Symphony of Seas provides so many options. Today I'll be taking you through breakfast, lunch, and dinner aboard this beautiful ship. So stay tuned. Brekkie! So as expected, there are so many possibilities of where to eat for breakfast. So for most days for breakfast, you would go up to the Windjammer buffet. The Windjammer features so many different options. It doesn't really change too much day to day, but you'll always find something new in a new nook or cranny. There's fresh fruit, breakfast classics, and then also international dishes, so you'll really never run out of options. There's also other places that you can have breakfast, such as many of the cafes around, and also in the main dining room on select sea days, and here you can see we ate at Johnny Rockets. I'm not sure if it was breakfast every day, but we went there on a sea day, and it provided more of a diner, sit-down experience on the boardwalk. Lunch, when we try not to get too fat. So for lunch, of course, you have the classic Windjammer where you have so many options, but I would even advise you to branch out from there. One of the best restaurants on board is El Loco Fresh, which serves up Mexican fare. I already confessed my love for it in the ship tour video, which you should check out. Another wonderful venue is the Solarium Bistro, which features a much healthier option, including an amazing salad bar, where you can get so many different options. On select sea days, the main dining room is also open for lunch, and it's pretty incredible. So on the day that we went to the main dining room, they were having an absolute seafood feast. They set up a buffet in the middle, and it had mussels, snow crabs, king crabs, shrimp. It was absolutely wonderful. And there's also sit down in the main dining room as well, where you get to order things. And here you can see that piece of pork was pretty hard. It was really crispy, as was advertised on the menu. Kind of a bad move on my part, but I ordered the lobster roll for lunch, and it was obviously not the greatest thing. The lobster, or the filling, whatever it was really mushy, and the fries were also kind of soggy, so not the best dish, but overall, lunch experience in the main dining room was great. Dinner. I'll be having 4 appetizers, 2 entrees, and 3 desserts. So dinner aboard the Symphony of the Seas, obviously you can go to places like the Windjammer or Sorrento's, but I love having dinner in the main dining room. I love being able to sit down and relax, wind down at the end of the day, and eat some fantastic food. So this is basically just going to be a montage of what I had in the main dining room. I have no idea what this is. I think it was a lobster bisque, but it looked kind of nasty. would not recommend getting the pasta for the Symphony of the Seas. Unfortunately, this was one area of the dining which they weren't really able to execute on. I guess just because they froze all their pasta. It tasted really frozen, I guess, and manufactured. So now onto the entrees in the main dining room. As you can see, I quickly learned to order the fish in the main dining room. The fish always seemed to deliver, was always on point and cooked nicely. So the last thing I want to show you is Wonderland, the one specialty restaurant that we were able to go to for dinner. So Wonderland is a really unique place with a kind of Alice in Wonderland themed restaurant style, and it's just more of a unique place that not everyone's going to enjoy just because of how weird I guess it is, but I thought it was a fantastic experience. But it's not really a place that you would go to multiple times on your trip, because you're going there for the experience, not necessarily the food. Even though the food was good, it wasn't like incredible or standout, but the experience was really unique, and the way that the food was presented was also quite an experience. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in more Symphony of the Seas content, be sure to check out my ship tour. And other than that, thanks for watching.